From mountains to plains, India's pilgrim towns carry centuries of faith, stories, and traditions, all living in harmony. Varanasi lives in sound. The chants along the ghats, the hymns of priests, and the stories of saints, Hindu, Muslim, and Buddhist traditions coexist here, each adding its melody to the city. Triveni Sangam hosts the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest spiritual gathering. People of all faiths come together, chants and prayers blending into one rhythm. Haridwar's Ganga Aarti brings people of all ages and religions together in a living tradition of devotion. Rishikesh is a sanctuary for seekers. Gurukuls, meditation centers, and riverside chanting unite students and pilgrims in one harmonious rhythm. The dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti welcomes devotees of all faiths. Qawwali and devotional songs echo across centuries, preserving oral tradition in harmony. Pushkar comes alive with festivals and folk performances. Devotees, locals, and travelers experience centuries-old oral traditions together, showing unity in diversity. Golden Temple's continuous hymns preserve Sikh oral traditions. Visitors of all faiths are touched by the sacred harmony of sound. Pilgrims ascending Tirumala hills chant together, preserving centuries-old traditions and showcasing faith across communities. Monks and pilgrims from around the world chant and meditate under the Bodhi tree, keeping Buddhist traditions alive for over 2,500 years. Velankani, Basilica, and Govind churches welcome pilgrims of all faiths. Hymns, prayers, and storytelling preserve centuries of Christian tradition in harmony with Indian culture. From rivers to mountains, temples to churches, India shows that faiths may differ, but humanity unites. Listen, learn, and celebrate the harmony that is India. Share and subscribe to JaiBharat to keep the journey alive.